Hi
Good
guys.
morning, Mohamad
Good
Ali.
morning, Mama.
How are you?
We can the animals. We can make shapes, and we can
What are you holding in your hand?
glue.
Glue. So this is the Harkous Brothers, and we have an activity about animals with Mohamad Ali. Hi.
Hi.
Okay. What I'm gonna yes, Hassan. Hala, we'll have another activity with you. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use the glue. Okay, first here, cat. Okay, here is bat. Where is the bat?
Here.
Okay, move the glue, please. And get the bat and put it here. Here, I'll hold this for you. Good job. Bravo, Mohamad Ali. Clap. Now take the glue and here, cat. Okay. Where is the cat? Show me. Show us the cat. Oh, correct. Great job, Mohamad Ali. Clap for Mohamad Ali. Yay. Okay, now, dog.
Haida.
Yes, this one. Here, dog. Ah! You put on my finger some glue. Good job.
That's silly.
I hold it. There you go. Great job, Mohamad Ali. Now, chicken or hen. Where's the chicken? Here. Show me. Good job. Yalla, put some glue.
Yeah.
Okay.
I did again.
Great job. Oh, upside down. Gonna fix that. There you go. Yeah. Now, mouse or rat.
Mouse.
Okay, where is the mouse? Excellent, Mohamad Ali. Great job. Mouse or rat. Now, where did... Oh, turn it around, fix it. Great job, great job. Great job, Mohamad Ali. And the last one is pig.
This one.
Great job. We're gonna put a star from Mohamad Ali here. Amazing job. There we go. Can you show us? Can you hold it and show us? Show it. Hold it properly. Wow. Amazing. So now you know some of the new animals. What? High five. What do you tell your friends? Give us a big.
Thumbs up.
Give us a big.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
And subscribe. Bye. Bye.